Pressure washers are often used to remove the dirt, grime, debris, and buildup off of patios, siding, cars, and more. While gas-powered pressure washers are popular among homeowners, electric pressure washers are more lightweight and tend to have a quieter motor and a quick start operation. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best electric pressure washers of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below, thanks. Number 1. Kärcher K5 Premium. Powerful, effective, and easy to use, the Kärcher K5 Premium Electric Power Pressure Washer is our pick for the best electric pressure washer. With this pressure washer, we found that dirt and grime were gone in an instant as we cleaned a sidewalk, porch railings, rain gutters, and a lawn mower. During our testing, we were impressed by how easily the 25-foot, kink-resistant cord unfurled to allow us to clean every surface. We also appreciated that this pressure washer had a dirt blaster spray wand that removed tougher-to-clean surfaces and a power spray wand that tackled light-duty jobs. This pressure washer also has an onboard, removable detergent tank that makes cleaning simple and allowed us to control the flow of the soap with an adjustable dial. We liked that this machine was compact, so it didn't take up too much space in an outdoor shed or garage. It also has wheels and a handle that make moving it from place to place simple. Keep in mind, we had some trouble assembling this pressure washer according to the quick start instructions, as they were not very detailed. This made setup take longer than desired. Instead, we needed to refer to the operator's manual. Number 2. Joe SPX Electric. If you're looking for the best electric pressure washer on a budget, the Joe SPX2688-MAX 2050 Electric High Pressure Washer was our top pick. In fact, we were shocked to find out that it performed just as well as some pressure washers we tested that had a much higher price point. We loved that this pressure washer had both medium and small nozzle angles, and we were able to get into every nook and cranny while using it. It also has a 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot pressure hose, and a garden hose adapter. It also has 3 quick connect nozzles, which are angled at 0, 15, and 40 degrees, so you can determine what is best for your cleaning situation. We like that this pressure washer is a TSS, or total stop system, which preserves its energy and the life of the pump by automatically shutting off when the trigger is not engaged. This pressure washer has wheels that make it easy to move around while tackling a cleaning project, and it is also lightweight at 22 pounds. However, we found that it wasn't quite as powerful as a few other electric pressure washers we tested and had to make several extra passes to thoroughly clean sidewalk pavers. Number 3. Greenworks True Brushless Electric. Stubborn messes and stains require a heavy-duty solution, and we found that the best electric pressure washer for the job is the Greenworks Pro 3000 PSI 2-gallon GPM cold water electric pressure washer. With a PSI of 3000, this pressure washer has a gas-style, continuous-run brushless motor that allows the washer to run continuously as it cleans. We felt that it performed just as well as a traditional gas motor model, but it was lightweight and easy to maneuver. While testing, we found that this machine was intuitive to use, with 5 spray nozzles, turbo, soap, and 15, 25, and 40 degrees, the nozzles were easy to switch out, and there was no leakage or spraying when taking them on and off. We also loved that there was a place to store those nozzles, and they're neatly labeled on the panel so we didn't misplace them. The cord was nice and long at 25 feet, which came in handy while cleaning a driveway. The driveway we tested this pressure washer on has been dirty for 3 years, and we were amazed to see how the grime and dirt washed away in just 11 minutes. Number 4. Joe Electric Pressure. Don't consider yourself a pressure washing pro just yet. We found that, thanks to its maneuverability and ease of use, the Joe SPX 3001 2030 PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 amp electric pressure washer was the best electric pressure washer for beginners. From start to finish, we found that this pressure washer was straightforward to use and came mostly assembled, so setting it up was a breeze. We loved that this pressure washer was lightweight, its large wheels and handle made it easy to roll around. Beginners won't have to worry about difficulty maneuvering it around their space. This model has 5 quick connect spray tips, 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, plus a soap setting. These nozzles easily clicked on and off a panel, and there was a holster to keep the spray nozzle in place when not in use. The electrical cord was 35 feet long, which we found to be a helpful feature for larger yards. In terms of overall effectiveness, this pressure washer was effective at its highest pressure, especially when it came to removing algae and mildew from a driveway and exterior columns of a home. However, we found that some stains, like dried-on paint and oil stains, were too difficult to remove. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Electric Pressure. The BLACK+DECKER electric pressure washer proved that good things come in small packages. It fit easily into a cluttered garage and impressed us with its power. It has a telescoping handle that slides up and down, as well as 6-inch wheels and onboard storage for the hose, power cord, and nozzles. During testing, we found that this pressure washer, and its soap attachment, made washing a car very easy, even cleaning off bugs that another car wash missed. We also put it to the test against the side of an outdoor hot tub and a wooden fence that hadn't been cleaned in 4 years. The hot tub was clean within 3 minutes, while the fence, which was covered in grime, only took 4 minutes to wash using the turbo nozzle, which covers large areas. With 3 nozzles to choose from, it was easy to clean nooks and crannies. Additionally, there is an included soap bottle, which makes for convenient storage while tackling jobs for which detergent is necessary. The only downside to this pressure washer was the 6-inch wheels. They are not made for different terrains, and did not seem durable. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.